So welcome back to Chris's Corner. Just a quick update on the air conditioner. We've got it on air conditioning mode. As you can see, we've got that going up and down as well on oscillate. It does blow out some nice cool air. It's like on top at the moment. There's the fan blowing nice cool air out. I did place it onto two of those to reduce the sound. There's a remote for it. And I've got a tube coming out for the water. Got that going down into a bucket down there. Just pull that out and it should release some out, which it does. Anyway, nice and quiet. You may think it's loud, but it's not overly loud. I've heard worse, and it was worse when I had it just on this desk. On that desk it gets a whole lot louder, but as it stands, nice and quiet. Nice cool air coming out. We've had it on dry mode, where it turns on and off the compressor just to dry it out a bit. And now we've got it on just cool mode to try and get it really cool, because outside it's rather humid and it's getting quite warm inside. Anyway, thanks for joining. If you've got any questions, please leave them down below.